Hetzner is migrating DNS from dns.hetzner.com, which is usually somewhere here, and now it's being migrated to console, which is formerly cloud. So you need to migrate all your DNS zones from here to Hetzner DNS console before May, because this will shut down. So to migrate a domain, there are certain rules. Let's click there on show details. Look at that. If you want to see how to migrate, you can migrate on the dashboard, or you can also migrate using the API. So first of all, the requirements: your DNS name servers need to point to the Hetzner name servers. So these are the options for the primary name servers, secondary name servers, or if you're using the web hosting from Hetzner. Unfortunately, you can only migrate one at a time. I wish there was a way to bulk migrate, or even better, they should do this automatically for their customers. Another rule is identical: time to live for every type of DNS record, for similar types of DNS record. So in this case, MX is 3600 and this is 7200, so this is incorrect. So you need to make sure that the MX records, at least both of them, are either 3600 or 7200 seconds. So like in this case, both of them are 3600 seconds. So any type of records must have the same TTL. So whether it's an A record, CNAME record, make sure that they have the same TTL. So you can migrate via the DNS console. We're going to see that in a moment. You can also migrate via the API. I don't even see the benefit of doing this via the API, because I still have to get all the zone IDs, which seems like it's a lot more work than just doing it on the DNS console. So let's see how to migrate at least one domain. Go to your Hetzner DNS console, which is here. Go to DNS, and for any domain that you want to migrate, just click there and then click on migrate zone, copy the name, give it the same name, migrate the zone. So this one is probably empty, doesn't have any records, that's why. So at least I will need to, if I want to make this migrate, I will need to at least add the name servers for Hetzner. So forget that, let's look at this other one. I can migrate that, copy the name, paste, migrate zone, and that has been migrated. And once you migrate it on the Hetzner console side, you can edit it. You can go straight to the Hetzner console and look at it, but usually it will be there as well. So you can just go to console, and then here you're going to find all your migrated DNS records here. So if I click on this migrated DNS project and I scroll down to DNS, I will see all my DNS zones have been migrated here. So if you want to see how to work with the Hetzner DNS on console, I did a video for that, so you can go and watch that. I will make sure to add the link in the description, showing you how to add your records and so on, how to add your records, different ways for adding new DNS zones, and so much more, working with the zone file and so much more. That's something I did, and I'm going to add the video in the description below. So that's it for this one. Make sure you migrate your DNS records. Make sure to migrate your DNS zones before May 2026. If you need any help, go to bizanosa.com. I will see how to help you. That's it. Until next time.